To update po to update. I'm sorry, I have to update you this way. Hindi po ako makalabas sa media because the report so far is that there were agents na sumabay sa media and claiming to be media. So there are now more than 200 sa labas, naka-barricade yung ibang doors. But I will use this medium. Sergeant at Arms, PNP, Marines, dadating si Sec Remulla, please escort them, please allow them in. Dadating po si Sec Remulla ng DILG with one of the PNP. It is not them attacking us. Allow them in, isa-secure daw ang building at tayo. But I just want everyone to know, ito pong grupo na nandito, we're not going to leave each other, we're not going to leave Senator Bato. May agreement na. We're still looking at the Supreme Court decision, but his legal remedies have not been exhausted. Sabi ng Supreme Court, binibigyan ng 3 days to comment. So we are relying on the law, relying on the Constitution, we are relying on the word of the NBI na hindi papasukin ang Senate na walang coordination. But again, nagkaputukan na po dito. We cannot let this pass. So, Osaa, I'm trying to call you. Papasukin nyo po si Secretary Remulla. He's here to help.